on a real project on how materials can be used sustainably and responsibly. They recently visited E.M.A, where they were taught all about waste management. Let's hear more from Misha Banza.
Reporting live from Wise Hour is Misha Banza. On Tuesday, 8 July, we went to E.M.A to learn how to manage waste. It was exciting to learn about sorting of waste, filtration of water, and a lot more. Before the trip, we had Miss Beauty from Environment Management Agency teaching us on how to recycle, reduce, and reuse.
So what happens is when the truck that's carry waste from your home, that's carry waste from your school, when they come here, they go on the waste bridge. On the waste bridge, we want to see the type of waste. Do you know different types of waste?
Yes.
Can you tell me one type of waste that you know? I want someone who has not said anything yet. Yes. Plastic, well done. What other type of waste do you know? Yes, that one is the best. Come.
A big thank you to the grade 2 learners and parents for the rubbish bins donated to the school.
Left a legacy. We bought the school some bins. We are no longer just putting litter in one bin. So when you are sorting out your trash, you need to check which bin am I using? Am I using the correct one? Great ones, can we read what's written here?
Paper.
Yeah? Yeah? And? Right, so we're going to be having all these things around the school. So make sure when you are putting trash in the bin, you are going to sort it out. You're not just going to put papers in here, metal in there. Are you going to do that?
No.
Right, so this one is written paper. When you want to throw away paper, you throw it into this bin. When you want to throw away, decay means things that get rotten. After eating, remember, in our lunch, we always take our leftover food and all that, we throw them in the same bin, but now we've got the bin for decay. Right, and plastic and metal. Can you clap hands for great cheers?
To share how we can use materials sustainably and responsibly. Let's learn how our choices can help the planet. Materials are things we use to create objects like paper, plastic and metal. Recycling means turning old things into new ones so we don't waste them. Let's use less and share more. For example, you can turn an old jar into a flower. Let's get creative. We can make fun and projects using things we would normally throw away. Remember, together we can make a difference.
So today we are going to teach you how to sort materials. Grade 3s and everyone else at the school, we have come with these bins for you. These are for the whole school, the aunties, the everyone who is here at school is supposed to use these bins. But when you're now throwing your litter, you need to sort your litter. Sorting litter is very important because it makes recycling easier. So whenever you see your friend doing the wrong thing, remind your friend that we are supposed to sort litter. Why are we supposed to sort litter? Why are we supposed to sort litter, yes? Excellent. We're supposed to sort litter to make it easier for recycling. So remember to sort your litter every day. Thank you for coming out, grade 3 and grade 4.
We're doing sustainability and responsibility of showing responsibility and sustainability for materials. So part of it is making sure that we recycle, reuse and reduce. Yes. And then we've also noticed that people who recycle face problems like the way we throw away our waste is not does not show that we are responsible. So what we are going to do from now on in the school, grade 2s have donated about 20 bins in the school. So what you will do from now on when you throw away litter, I'm sure you're going to see some at the tuck shop, some at the playground, some at around the DH area. So what we'll definitely do is let's just make sure if you actually do it, why we've done this campaign is to teach you so that you know that these bins are to sort out waste. So from now on when you throw your litter, as these guys have said, If it says paper, please put your paper in there. If it says plastic, just check before you throw away your litter. If it says plastic, you put it in the plastic. If it says metal, this is like these. Can you give me examples of metal that we have that we use almost every day? Yes?
Cans.
Cans, thank you. Yes.
Tins.
Tins, yes, you could have your tin something, I don't know. You put it in the metal one. I'm sure there are old spoons, there's different stuff that we use that is metal-like. So we should put it in here. And then decay. This is where our banana peels go. This is where our orange, our food, anything that's foodie, anything that can decay should go in this bin. Okay? Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Bye. Something that you have learned in science this term, and it's asking us to recycle, reduce, and reuse. So even when you're cooking for us, may you make sure that you reduce and make sure you make portions enough for everyone so that you don't have a lot of leftovers and people don't end up throwing away a lot of food. And also, when you're using the bins, this one is specifically for metal. Your spoons that are now broken, your forks, everything that's metal, the cans. When people drink their cans, they put them in the metal one. This one is for decay. I'm sure this one is the one that you will use the most. This is for the leftover food, for everything that can be, anything that can decay, especially food. And you guys do with food, banana peels, orange peels, anything. This one is not for orange peels. This one is not for banana peels. This one is for plastic. You also work with a lot of plastic. So you have this as well, and then we've got the paper one specifically for paper. So as our kitchen, we're definitely going to put a set of bins close to you somewhere here that you will share as the kitchen and the tuck shop area. Yes, thank you so much for your time.
Right, so the great tools, we're learning about how to recycle. Recycling is just making all these ingredients that you can actually talk inside. They can go there and recycle them and make new objects. So that's the real project that we're learning about. So they've donated 20 bins for the school. That's what we're doing. I think you can flip it. And what the ratios have said, let's look after our bins well. Yes. Let's look after them properly, and the great tools have donated, so we have to last a long time with them. Right, I think that's all we have. Can we clap hands for the great tools?
A pleasant morning to you, boys and girls. My name is Miss Beauty from the Environmental Management Agency, E.M.A. I would like to acknowledge the good job that you're doing back there at Wise Hour Westgate. I've seen your videos, I've seen your pictures, I've seen you teaching the grade 6s and 7s about recycling, about waste management. You are doing a good job. And also thank you so much for launching the waste separation at your school. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much, Miss Hazel, for the good job that you're doing with the grade 2s. I would also like to acknowledge the parents and Wise Hour administration for the job well done. Us at E.M.A, we say together protecting the environment. It starts with you, it starts with me, it starts with all of us. So I encourage you to take this initiative also back home to your siblings and to your friends during the holiday. Take the time to teach them about waste management and recycling. I am so proud of you. Thank you so much for the job well done. Have a lovely day. Bye.